convention song must arise from the convention mood.
My name is Lesego Morekure. Temba 115, the hosting secretary at Limpopo District Convention. I am the secretary. I also serve as a recording secretary at Central Region. Coming to your fellow, when you see the visitors coming, you start getting relaxed. You starting getting that pressure now starts to be relieved. You know what? We have done everything we can. And then now we are just giving everything to God. We are saying, Tina, the people of this world, as Temba second, we have done all we can. And now God, we are just giving this convention into your hands. But believe you me, we have prepared. And we are ready. We are ready to host it. The people who will be coming from all the spheres of Limpopo district together with the connection.
Yeah, hosta can maybe mama ki guta ke thabile gore at least mo Themba le rena re hosta something big like this.
You see, Themba circuit is a small circuit, but up to so far they've done very well. They've done to their strength, to their ability, which of course I confirm that it is the best ever organized convention in this sector.
Wait, re prepare thata for convention here. Ga sa le re prepare go tloga ha e starta go announce ya so re prepare thata re kentsetse go la mogela.
I think this convention in Alamat, yeah, that's what I can say. It has a power because everyone who are Limpopo district or YMG convention.
We are looking for thousands and thousands of people.
Spiritually, I believe we are ready. And in terms of organization, local organizing committee, we are cruising very nice. We are ready, man. Abat.
Ke batla bolela nnete gore mo ke leng teng moya ka o iketlile o thabile ibile o relaxed.
We are just waiting for Friday and then our doors are open.
We are going to lift the spirit of others. Miss Limonsen, ke bona bontsi ba batho le attendance le moya o tlhatlogile o le godimo mme re tlo bona metlhono mona districting ena mara na le tumela gore district ena e tla sia molemo ka haro sekete spiritually, financially and socially. You are going to feel the presence of God.
Pinaya convention.
It's quite a challenging thing because what happens is you ask yourself questions that, will people relate to the song? Are people willing to learn the new tunes? Will it be acceptable? And first and foremost, it's not always about you as a person, you know. The creativity must be welcome, and I try to align the songs with the theme as well. So one thing we do, myself and Molifidi Kokwe, is we sit and pray upon those things. But it's quite a challenging thing, hence we take some time, extensive time to decide upon what we think is best for the convention.
Oh, the convention ke sediba sabadi se se le aletareng ya tefelo. The spirit of the convention is more than what I know, and it's so beautiful, it's so great, and we feel that the spirit of God, Mohammed's crowd in this district will be a different place. And all of us are going to be blessed by it.
We've put quite a lot. There's quite a lot in the pot. I'll just give you a tip of the iceberg of what we think is going to be the front runner.
So yeah, and number two, the pressure, the president and the committee is so high because the expectations of addressing the people in the context of South Africa, in the context of the world, particularly Iran, America, and Israel, and the Hormuz Strait. But expectation now, what is the role of the church? And but what is the role of Abasankana in South Africa, in the changing South Africa, in a very, very difficult time? corruption, president
gore re ya stadiumong gore re shebeletse gore tlo kry-a batho ba bantsi ba tla mo conventioneng ba kereke, so that is why re kgethileng ko stadiumong gore batho ba seka ba tlo petetsana. Gore mang le mang a nne free, gore go nne monate, go nne free.
You know what, to us it meant unity, because halele stadium, everybody will be inside. Parking, dijo, the revival, everybody will be in one space. Unlike ko holong, o kry ba bang ba sa lekane, ba bang ba isera. So ho ba ko stadium, it's more space and it will welcome everyone and everyone will fit in the space. So for us, it's quite exciting. Ebile our teams tabe ba ira car wash vibes ke litlang le chelete, di teams di tlo tlhatsa dikoloi tsa lona kaofela and they will be safe.
I want to tell you, Hori, the spirit of Nenkanyamba and the spirit of the convention, they are almost at the same level in terms of songs, in terms of preaching, in terms of the power of the gospel.
The one that was in Mbombela, Unabantu Baku 244 Xhosa was actually accompanied by a Sotho song, 16 Reoboka. What we try to do is to have 2 songs each convention. So I think that one, Reoboka Morena, was quite a standout for me. It was prayerful, and it peaks at the right time. You sing the whole tune, it peaks at the right time, and then yeah, that's it. So even this year we're planning on 2 tunes, 2 songs from both Xhosa and Setswana to accommodate all congregants. That's how we roll.
The most important thing at convention is a program that has the following for the general. It's a memorial service, which is very important, that builds the souls of the people. It is the address of the of the president in the evening on Saturday, when you address the whole people. That's spiritual. It's a revival. But the last one is the address of the general president and the bishop. Those services uplift the spirit of the people and get them walking and get them working and get them lifted up every time and again.